Whoa! Hey y'all, it's your girl Ty. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, all the support, all the love from the Sweeneys. We highly appreciate it. So today, tune in. As you can see, I have my wig ready to slay and lay, baby. Okay, so I have this hair bonnet. I just put it on and it had some makeup on it because I was using dang, I forgot. Oh, I had makeup on the top of my forehead, so I cleaned it with the alcohol. And now, sorry about that. So yeah, I rub my forehead with the rubbing alcohol because you don't want any greasiness, no no makeup there basically. So what we're going to do today, I will take the wig off so you can see. This is a 20-inch. And it's called, I bought it off of Amazon for, I think, $197, which wasn't bad. I had it before, so this is my second time with this wig again. And I really love it. The first time I messed it up because I wasn't really into wigs. I was new to it. But this right here, I love it. Like, it's everything. Anyway, I bought it off of Amazon for $197. It's called ISEE. There was a black box with it. Of course, I did an unboxing video yesterday. You should go check it out. In regards to an Amazon haul. So I have my cap on already. I cleaned my hairline already. As you can see, my wig has combs in it. Has the lace on the back. I just used the comb. I'm not going to use the lace because no. So, yeah. We can get started. I'm actually just going to cut the back of this off because I will not be gluing this down. That's a no-go for me. So, I'm going to take the lace and just cut it off. Be careful not to cut the hair. And I have the eyebrow shaver, so also you could use that to shave it down, I guess. But I'd be shaving the hair, so I'm just going to cut very close to the line. Take it off. Yeah, this is taking some time, but I'm going to cut this. Gotta take your time because, boy, I'm not trying to mess this up. So I'm growing my hair out. Also, I applied the Wild Growth hair grease. I also applied the Wild Growth hair grease underneath my cap because I wore this before. I wore many wigs before, and like your scalp gets really itchy. So make sure you keep it greased up. But as you can see, I cut it off the back because I don't want that. The front you do not cut yet until you glue it down. So what we're gonna do here is that right there, and I'm just gonna, like I said, I already put my cap to where I want my hairline to start at. I'm gonna throw this on real fast, connect the back. So give me 1 second. So I have it clipped on in the back. As you can see, it's still like up on the sides, but I don't mind because I'm not going to be wearing up. I love it because it's so luscious, so I'm going to be wearing it down majority of the time. So, yeah. So now I take this, even it out, make sure that this is still where I want my hairline to be. Hold on a second. Hold up. I'm looking in the mirror real fast. And yes, so I don't want too much forehead, but I mean, I got a big forehead naturally, but yeah, like right there, I think it's perfect. So what I'm going to do is take it and roll it back, some right there. What you hear me unzipping is my makeup bag because we're going to need it for the hairline. Get out of the cabinets now, Jamai. See, I knew it was him. Alright. So, now I'm going to take the Ghost Bond glue. Ghost Bond. What? What? And I'm going to, hey baby, hey. Use drops. I'm not going to use the rub and stick or anything. So I'm going to look in the mirror and do it. I'm going to show you in a second. So I'm coming my way, I'm making my way this way. So all I'm doing is, Jemai, boy, relax. All I'm doing is making little dots as close to my hairline as possible, as you can see, yada yada. Blase. Do this. And then when I get like down here, it's like going to be, I call it the little triangle. Do like a little triangle. Just Jemai, relax. Hold on. Okay, so now that I have applied my first layer, see all the dots. Still have my wig back. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make this one a little. Yes, mommy's on there. Yeah. Alright, and now I'm going to take one of my brand new makeup brushes I got. Stop stomping, babe. Stop stomping. No, not right now, Poo Poo. I'm gonna take it and I need one that's big enough. Get out. So I'm gonna take this and take the glue and brush it back. Of course, I'm looking in the mirror. And then once I do this, I have to wait for it to dry. It doesn't take long, but these were kind of thin because I wasn't sure. I don't want it to be to where I can't take the wig off when I'm ready to take it off. So right now I'm just brushing it in, and as you can see, like I said, it's not a bunch. Brush it back, and it was sitting on here for like a minute, so that's why it probably dried so fast, as you can see. But while this one dries and it's almost done, then I'm gonna apply my second layer. Oopsies. So yeah, I'm just waiting for it to dry, as you can see. Okay, now it looks like it's somewhere. Since it's looking dry, now I am going to go ahead and apply my second coat. Do the same thing, do little droplets, make the triangle, and then, you know, yeah. And then that's when we're going to take the brush and brush it in. So, 1 second. Okay, so now I'm applying my second coat, as I said. Same thing. So I'm just, oh sorry, my tongue was sticking out. I must have been into it. Jemai, leave him alone, baby. He's tired. So I'm just doing little dots. Alright, and then I'm going to brush this in. Excuse me. So that's all for the glue. Now I'm about to take and brush. Jemai, relax, boo-boo. Take it and brush it in again. Brush it back the same way. Let me look, because I want it too. Like, I don't want it to start getting far on my face. So right now I'm just brushing it in. I can't help my faces are making so they look funny. Whoops. But yeah, okay. So, like I said, now I'm brushing this in. And then I will be putting the cap on because it should be dry. And more than enough glue. And I'm gonna dab it because actually when you like doing like wipe, hold on baby, what? What is it? Oh wow, you got 2 cups? Kids is funny, they tell you the darndest things. He called me to look at his cups. So now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put this inside of here. And I'm going to take, trying to wait for it to dry some more because you can still see some white. You don't want the white. Jemai and Jay, hush. So you don't want the white. And I'm just waiting now. Mia, if you yell again, I'm going to take that. Jemai, come here and sit down. Now. So, kids. But, okay, this should be good enough. Now I'm going to take my lace of the front. Okay. And remember, you pull it to where your hairline, where you want your hairline to be. Be careful because once you land this baby, it's a wrap, honey. So right now, I'm laying my wig down. Some people use tweezers to put it on because they don't want it to touch their hand. I don't mind, quite frankly. Okay, so now that I have this on, as you can see, I didn't stretch it with the hairline, as you can see. So, I can't pull this up yet. I was going to show you. But, so now, I'm just pressing on it while I get this out. See, Jemai, relax, baby. The band's out. Oh boy. This is a little more difficult than I thought. So, I'm tying down my edges, my wig, for the wig, and I will be leaving this on my head where it's at so it can lay this for me. So now I just wait. I'm not going to wait too long. So, I really love this hair. Look at it, guys. Look at it. You can't tell me that you ain't never been with that baddie. She called, so I added to the telly. Hey. Send me that Eddie. What's the right and the left and the mighty? Like Jay, don't look too shabby. Hey. Let me stop. That A was weak. Boy. This hair though is like flawless, like baby girl. I know your situation. Hey. No, but this joint is really flawless. So I'm waiting. Just trying to let the time go by, you know. Okay, so now I'm taking this off. It should be fine now. And as you can see, very nice, very nice. Yeah. So we're going to take the scissors. I hope these scissors work because they kind of dull, to be honest. And I'm already. If I use it this way, I think it might cut. I'm going to use the mirror real fast. Get out. Who's in my refrigerator and why? So I cut a piece in the middle. Then I'm going to cut one right here. Mia, can you wake Daddy up? Wake Daddy up. Cut this on the side. Alright. I'm coming, Stinky. And then you're going to take this and cut it down. Hold on. Let's do this. What? I gotta do it like this so I can't turn that way. Alright, he's walked away. It's so hard for me to cut this way. And so I'm like, alright, give me 1 second. I'm trying to cut the lace off. Alright, so I got it. Now I'm going to keep cutting. See? Yeah, you alright? Hold on, I'm gonna have to check my baby because he's tripping and it's bugging me out. See back in 2.5. So I'm managing to cut it, but I am going to have to shave it. Hurry, use the bathroom and get out.
No, I just looking at it.
Oh. Well, no, get out. So, all that I'm going to do is, give me 1 second, push this behind my ear to hair. You see where the lace is right there? I don't know if you can see it right there. I am going to cut that. Yeah. Now I'm going to go from the back and just cut it from here to here straight off. Or, or you can go the other way and just cut it. But it's easier for me to go from the back to the front.
Ew.
So, my lips look super dry. Since can't get that, I'm just going to kind of like shave it off. And it should fall very, very nice. So I bought the little shavers. They're for the eyebrows, but you can definitely use it for the wig. So, this is what I got off. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Then I'm going to shave the excess. You can see right there. I'm going to shave it. Let me do the other side. Okay, so it's kind of like an ear-to-ear thing.
Mommy.
Yes, Bubba.
Look.
Hold on, what is it?
Look.
Oh, wow, I see it.
Look.
Ooh, you got the Spidey Man out. Okay, so this one I can't push behind my ear, so what I'm going to do is just cut it down. Cut the side of it. What are you doing, boy?
Look.
You're not dumping nothing in my toilet, right? What do you mean, hold on? Are you dumping something in my toilet or not?
No.
Oh, so what's that noise? That was your mouth?
No, the toilet.
There was a toilet?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I get it. He was trying to flush it. The noise just registered. So, as you can see, I'm still cutting it down. Trying to keep the hair out the way. And I'm going to take this and just cut it straight back. I'm sorry it's taking so long because I'm trying to take my time and not cut any of the hair and just the lace. Oh wait, hold on, I see some more. Jemai, can you stop?
Wait.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Say yes, not
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So now I'm just going to take this and clearly cut off. I already told you to stop, Booba.
Oh.
So I guess I didn't rub my makeup off good enough because, girl, look at this.
Mommy.
What it be when I get like that? See that? This is not it. So give me a sec. I'm gonna cut it off and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So as you can see, it's like a white line. It's from the hair, from the Bond glue. I'm gonna take and put some more rubbing alcohol on it to get rid of it, and then I will show you that, and then we'll be doing the baby hairs, and that will be that. Okay, so as you can see, I got my hairline straightened out here, and I'm pulling out one, not too big, two pieces of hair for me to cut. Where is it at? Okay. So this time I'm gonna use the shaver and just cut this one, and I'm gonna gel it down. I may apply mousse to it. So as you can see, you can see that too. I have fixed the baby hairs on here. And yeah, if you want the middle part, middle part. If you don't want the middle part, then leave it like this. But I don't have my flat irons in here, but I can show you the part, like, see about the middle part. Oh yeah, so I will have to like pluck it because I didn't pluck it. So I guess tomorrow I will do a video on how to pluck it because right now it's just a thick part, you know? Oh boy, getting hectic. It's a lot. But for now, I'm gonna leave it like this, and I just want to say thank you guys for watching, liking, commenting, and all the subscribers that I have. I love the support. I thank you guys. And right now I'm just coming it out so you guys can see why I love this wig. Okay? What? Cause I thought somebody said something.
I'm sorry. We're fighting now. You keep fighting me.
Say no fighting.
But
Alright, so.
you're the little fighting.
Yeah. That's basically it. That is how I install my wig with the Ghost Bond glue. And my edges, if you guys would like a tutorial on that, you can comment below. But thanks for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Until next time, peace.